inside the Niger Delta.
More Bayelsans have continued to endorse the outcome of the November 16 governorship elections as a true reflection of the collective wish of the people. They, however, called on Governor-elect David Lyon to transform the socio-economic landscape in Bayelsa State and take it to greater heights. Correspondent Lovely Akugha has details.
Reacting to the outcome of the November 16 governorship elections won by David Lyon of the All Progressive Congress, Bayelsans described it as a true reflection of their collective aspiration as a people. They claim to have broken the record of a 20-year rule by the governing People's Democratic Party (PDP) on account of a popular candidate fielded by the opposition All Progressive Congress (APC).
It's a reflection of the will of the people, not party matter.
We want to thank God because at the end, there is victory in the town.
For the ordinary non-partisan Bayelsans who still celebrating the emergence of David Lyon as the next governor of Bayelsa State, his election marks a new beginning for Bayelsa State.
For the past 20 years or so, it has been one party. A state where there is no opposition most times lacks development. So we are happy to see opposition party today taking over.
In the next political dispensation, Bayelsans look forward to a new direction that would reposition the state on the fast lane of development.
I urge the losers to congratulate the winners. I also expect the winners to create a level playing ground for those of them that equally spend their resources to contest for this exalted office, to be accommodated in the governance structure, because governance is inclusivity.
What I want our upcoming governor to do for us is development. We need roads, we need electricity, we need empowerment, employment for graduates.
David Lyon of the APC pulled a total of 352,552 votes to defeat his closest rival, Doye Diri of the PDP, to emerge winner of the November 16th governorship elections in Bayelsa State.
Inside the Niger Delta.